how to add Chinese calendar to your iPhone in 2024. So guys, in this video I'm gonna tell you that how you can easily add Chinese calendar into your iPhone. So that's quite simple and interesting. So let's start our video. So first of all, click on settings, and once you are on this page you'll have to scroll down until you find calendar. So once you found it, click on it, and now just under time zone override you can find an option of alternative calendars. Simply click on it, and by default it will be turned off. You can simply you'll simply have to click on Chinese, and it will be selected to Chinese, and Chinese calendar will be added to your iPhone. Now if you open the calendar app in your iPhone, it will show us both Chinese and our main calendar. You can see it in both Chinese and our main calendar. Go back, now you can see it. We can see both calendars, Chinese and our main calendar. So if you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video.